All right, y'all, here again, and y'all see the box. If y'all don't know what this is, y'all about to find out. We got another early look. Yep. Shout out to my people at JD Sport once again. This one right here is going to be one that a lot of people are saying. They're going to have the black metallic 5 vibes. Nope. I don't know if I'm ready to say that just yet, but I'm going to let y'all be the judge of it with this early look. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. I appreciate y'all for tapping in. Let's go ahead and get right off into it.
Nope. Fresh out the box, then you gotta keep them clean. There's that knowledge in your walk when you step on the scene. Technology ain't no apology.
As you guys can see, you have a gray Jordan box, the white Jumpman logo. This is gonna be Nike Air branding right here. Sticker spackle. This is gonna be a size 8, and the size tag reads Air Jordan 5 Retro Light Graphite White Wolf Gray. This is going to be the Air Jordan 5 Wolf Gray. Things, man. Now, I feel like we've had mixed opinions about these things, as you guys can see right here. And the reason why is because look at the crickle crackle, spickle spackle texture of the sneaker, man. Look at that, man. Look at how it looks like it is like a hard, almost old folks wrinkle skin look instead of that soft suede look, you know what I'm saying? So a lot of people are kind of put off by that, but I hope this is picking up for you guys to make a good decision on these. You do have a 23 on the side, you know what I'm saying? Super clean, stitched right there with the shadow behind it. Jumpman logo on the back. Some people said it should have had Nike branding, but hey, this is what they gave us. Shape doesn't look too bad on these things, to be honest with you. And then we have right here, you have the toe box, as you guys can see. Like I said, toe box, material ain't bad, but again, it ain't smooth. It's more of a rough texture. Quality control issues, I don't see much. You see a little bit of glue, but that's to be expected. You got spickle spackle on the shark teeth. On the bottom, you had a translucent blue that's going yellow like crazy. Black Jumpman logo, Jordan right there. Inner side of the shoe is going to be the exact same thing, that netting right there. And like I said, y'all could just see it. Y'all could see the texture issues that they're saying. People are saying everybody wanted it to be smooth instead of wrinkle like that. I don't know, man. I never liked this sneaker, but, you know, I just want to show it to you guys. Only one set of laces that I could tell that's coming in here is going to be these gray ones. You got the Nike Air on the lace lock. You got the tongue with the Jumpman logo right there, and then behind the tongue, the insoles and everything is going to be white. Behind the tongue is going to have the Air Jordan in that black right there, and then here's the other one, as you guys can see. Let me know, man, what y'all think? Air Jordan 5, cool, great things or whatever. Y'all let me know what y'all think, because again, I think it's one of those ones that either you want this shoe, either you love it or you hate it, in my opinion, you know, because I know a lot of people have been waiting for this shoe to retro again, and here it is. So it's just like, I don't know, man. It's been weird within the sneaker community with the Tokyo L5s and stuff like that, but what happened with that, I feel like they tanked. So I don't think these are gonna have the effect of the black metallic 5s, but y'all let me know down in the comment section, what are y'all thoughts and opinions? Are y'all rocking with these, or y'all not? This has got to be a must-cop for you guys. It's a lot of stuff dropping in February, back to back, back to back, back to back. So y'all let me know if this is going to be something that y'all going to be picking up, or y'all going to be putting this down. That's all I got for y'all today for this early look. Again, shout out to my people at JD Sports. Y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more early looks. And I appreciate y'all. Y'all know the same, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these, just bait. Work for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all next one. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got two, never